The moon is escaping, and we can't stop it. Every single year, the moon drifts about 3.8 centimeters further away from Earth. That's roughly the speed your fingernails grow. Sounds tiny, right? But here's the thing. It's been doing this for billions of years, and it has zero plans to stop. So what happens when your moon starts ghosting you? First, say goodbye to total solar eclipses. The moon is already barely big enough to cover the sun. Give it a few 100 million years, and it'll be too small, too far away to block it completely. That breathtaking diamond ring effect? Future humans will never see it. But here's the real kicker. Our days are getting longer. The moon's gravity keeps Earth's spin in check. As it drifts away, we slow down. Milliseconds per century. But eventually, days could stretch past 25 hours. So technically, the moon abandoning us is giving us more hours in the day. Too bad none of us will be around to enjoy the extra sleep.